The legend is back-end. It's nothing like you expected. In today's video, we're diving deep into the 2025 Citroën 2CV, a modern reimagining of one of the most iconic cars in automotive history. But this isn't just a nostalgia-driven novelty. It's a clever, thoughtfully designed car that blends retro charm with forward-thinking engineering, and we're here to find out if it lives up to the original's revolutionary roots. First, approach the 2025 2CV. The unmistakable design cues from the original model are immediately apparent. Citroën didn't just revive the name, they sculpted a body that feels like a tribute without feeling dated. The front end is a charming fusion of old and new. Oval-shaped LED headlights pay homage to the bug-eyed look of the original, while modern lighting tech keeps it crisp and functional. The iconic ribbed bonnet is back, but now made from recycled aluminum, giving it strength and sustainability. And while the familiar smiling grille returns, it's been reinterpreted with active shutters to boost aerodynamics and efficiency. Move along to the side profile, and you really see the design language come alive. The car retains its unmistakable curved roofline, now fabricated with a panoramic solar-integrated glass panel that extends nearly the full length of the roof. Citroën's design team has used smooth, sculpted side panels with minimalist creases, giving the car a light, airy visual appeal. The wheels are tucked under prominent flared arches, a nod to the original's simplicity, but they're now wrapped in low rolling resistance tires, mounted on lightweight alloy rims that look both retro and futuristic. From the back, the design is clean and cohesive. The taillights echo the teardrop shape of the old model, but feature a unique 3D light signature that's instantly recognizable. The tailgate is a split design, with the top half lifting and the bottom dropping, a modern reinterpretation of the classic 2CV's utilitarian layout. And yes, there's even a cloth rear parcel cover, reminiscent of the original's rollback roof, but this time motorized and app-controlled. Inside, the transformation is even more striking. Climb in, and the cabin surprises you with its minimalist charm. There's a clear commitment to sustainable materials here. Recycled fabrics, natural fibers, and vegan leather trims create an inviting, eco-conscious environment. The dashboard is a single sweeping panel that combines analog nostalgia with digital functionality. A retro-style speedometer is framed within a digital cluster, and a floating infotainment screen rises discreetly from the center, offering seamless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Citroën's own intuitive OS. The seat, arguably one of the most beloved aspects of the original 2CV's, been completely reimagined. The hammock-style seats are back, but now they're ergonomic, with adjustable lumbar support and breathable mesh padding. Rear space is surprisingly generous for a compact car, thanks to clever seat packaging and a flat floor. And the boot, modular, expandable, and practical, just as the original was designed to be. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 2CV comes in two primary variants: a fully electric version with a 52 kilowatt-hours battery, offering a range of up to 250 miles, and a mild hybrid model with a small 3-cylinder engine paired with a 48-volt system. The electric version is the star of the show, delivering 136 horsepower to the front wheels. It's not blisteringly fast, but it zips through city traffic with ease and holds its own on highways. 0 to 60 in under 9 seconds, regenerative braking that feels natural, and an ultra-quiet ride. This car was clearly built for the urban adventurer ride. Comfort is exceptional for a car in this segment. Citroën has implemented their advanced comfort suspension system, and it shows. Bumps are absorbed with grace, body roll is controlled, and even longer drives feel serene. Steering is light but precise, and the turning radius makes tight city driving feel like a breeze. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Citroën 2CV is aimed to be as accessible as its predecessor. The hybrid version starts around 18,500 euros, while the electric variant begins at roughly 23,000 euros before incentives. That pricing puts it in direct competition with vehicles like the Fiat 500e and the Renault Twingo E-Tech, but with a level of character and brand identity that those rivals can't quite match. So who is this car for? If you're a city dweller, looking for a sustainable, stylish runabout that doesn't feel soulless, this car is a top contender. If you loved the original 2CV and want something that brings back the charm without sacrificing modern convenience, you'll feel right at home. But even if you've never heard of the 2CV before, there's a lot to love. Here's simplicity, affordability, comfort, and just the right amount of quirk. That said, it's not for everyone. If you're chasing raw performance or need loads of space, there are better options. And while the electric range is solid, it won't match larger EVs on long hauls. But in the context of what it sets out to be, a light, joyful, and intelligent car for everyday use, the 2025 2CV is a triumph. Thanks for joining us on this detailed look at the all-new Citroën 2CV. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep-dive car content, and let us know in the comments. Would you drive the new 2CV, or is the original still the one for you? Until next time, stay curious and drive safe.